Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to get the last item in an array in JavaScript. So there are three methods we are going to discuss to how to get the last item in an array. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's see how to get the last item in an array. So first method is using the array length property. So here you can see that we have an array, right? And if I want to get the last item, so what I'm going to write is my array and my array dot length minus 1. This will retrieve the last item. Okay, so let's check this one. I'm already saved it. Okay, so reload this one and you can see that cherry. So here we have the this one, so the last item is cherry one, right? So let's go for the another method that is called the slice method. So here we are going to uncomment this method, right? So slice method also helps to get the last item in an array in JavaScript. The slice method returns a new array that contains a subset of the elements in the original array. So it always returns the new array, right? So here we have what we are going to do. My array dot slice the position and the current position and where you want to remove that one. So here you need to add this one. So it will slice that position and it will give you the last item in an array, right? Just save this one and reload this one. So you can see that the cherry, the last one. Okay. So next one using the pop method. The last one, that is the pop method. So you can use the pop method to remove to get the last item, okay, in an array. So here my array dot pop, it always give you the last item. Okay, note that using the pop modifies the original array, so it modifies the original array and return that and one. Okay, so the methods are, first we are using the length part, that is a slice. Second one, the third one is the pop method. So these three methods you can use and help you to get the last item in an array in JavaScript. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.